Sila ay mga tanda na nakikita natin upang tanggapin natin ang buhay ng ating Panginoong Hesukristo. At ang binyag po ang unang-una sa 7 sakramentong ito na tatanggapin ng mga bata at tinanggap na ninyo, mga minamahal kong mga magulang, ninong at ninang.
It's your love that I've always been needing. You're the air in my lungs that I'm breathing. Every chance that I'll take, every choice that I'll make, you're
Hi,
the
Queen! Alam namin na hindi mo pa ito matatandaan kasi baby ka pa. Pero syempre, as parents, gusto namin na paglaki mo is mapapanood mo. Lumaki kang mabuting bata, magalang.
Kaya matupad yung pangarap niya, lumaking may takot sa Diyos. Pagbalang araw, babalikan mo yung video na to. Makikita mo kung gaano ka-importante sa amin ni mami mo. At gaano rin kami kasaya na nandyan ka sa amin.
You say you love me, and I say I love you more. I love you more. I love you more.
Happy birthday, Cleon! We love you!
You say you love me, I say I love you more. I'm feeling like a brand new me. Brand new, brand new. Brand new, brand new.
Magilas, tapos masayahin,
Masaya.
lagi lang naglalaro, ganun. So, nag-look forward pa kami na naging best version siya ng sarili.
Kahit saan sumasama.
Kahit saan sumasama, hindi nangingilala.
Ako.
I'ma celebrate it. I'm feeling like a brand new me. For the very first time, I'm where I'm meant to be. I'ma tell everybody I'm feeling like a brand new me.
Happy birthday, Cleon! Happy birthday, Cleon! Happy birthday, Cleon! Happy birthday, Cleon!
Cloud9, I just took a little visit and the old me didn't know what I was missing. Seeing so clear, got that 20/20 vision. It was in me all along. All I had to do was listen to that heartbeat down inside of my chest. The little voice in the back of my head saying, one day you'll be living the dream. You'll see, I'm feeling like a brand new me.
Yung Cleon kasi is mixed name po namin dalawa. Tapos yung Gray kasi is gusto talaga niya pangalan magiging buhay niya.
Feeling like a brand new